All right, today we're going to do a web call here with the AI receptionist, just a demo call and see how it can handle if I ask it after hour questions. Just going to pretend and go along here and see what it does. All right, we're just going to jump right into it.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
It's 9:30 at night here on Friday. Are you guys open?
I understand. Thanks for checking. Right now, it's 3:52 p.m. here in Chicago, so we're still within our regular business hours. If it's 9:30 p.m. your time, we're likely closed for the day, but you can leave a message or schedule a call for another time. Is there something specific you need help with?
No, I was just wondering, can I schedule an appointment?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Let me check what appointment slots are available for you. One moment. Here are a couple of available slots for you on Tuesday, July 28th at 9 a.m. or 11 a.m. Would you like to pick one of those?
Yeah, I'll do the 9 o'clock.
Great. I'll book you for Tuesday, July 28th at 9 a.m. I see we have your email as markgowatermarkdesign.com. Is that correct?
Yes. When will somebody call me back?
You're all set for Tuesday, July 28th at 9 a.m. Central Time. Mark or a team member will reach out to you at that time for your appointment. If you need anything before then, just let me know. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, can I leave a message too?
Of course, you can leave a message. What would you like me to pass along to Mark or the team?
Just leave a note for Monday that I want to talk to him about setting up a new website, an AI agent, get to schedule appointments, all that stuff for my new business.
Got it. I'll leave a note for Monday that you'd like to talk to Mark about setting up a new website and an AI agent to handle appointment scheduling for your new business. Is there anything else you'd like me to include in the message?
That's it. How does he get that message though?
Mark will get your message directly, either by email or through our internal system. So he'll see your request before your appointment. If you want him to call you sooner, just let me know and I can mark it as urgent. Otherwise, he'll reach out as planned.
Okay, no, that's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for calling Watermark Design. Have a wonderful day.
All right, so that just shows kind of some different scenarios. I tried to say that it was after hours, but as you saw, it said no, it's 3:52 p.m. on Friday. If it was after hours, it would handle that accordingly. I'm going to try an after hour call and see how it does actually. But yeah, I want to show that you can schedule appointments. You can leave a message for the owner, for whoever you're calling, whatever business it may be. Now I'm going to jump in and show kind of what that looks like on my side as an email and a text message coming in to me as the owner for that new call. All right, let's just jump right into that. All right, here's the text message that came into my phone with that call, kind of a summary there, what just happened. And now we'll see if there's an appointment. We'll go into my email here. And I should have an email notification, plus the transcript should be in there from the call. Here it is, it's coming through. And a recap of the call. So you can see it already has my phone number and email and name in there from prior demo calls that I've done. It's set up that way, but you can actually see the whole transcript and it's emailed to you. So you don't even have to log into GoHighLevel to see all this information. And it comes through right away. And now we'll go back to the GoHighLevel dashboard. So if I was in here, we can see that I had a call at this time. And if you click on it, it'll bring you to the contact in GoHighLevel, and you can see all their information on the left-hand side here. I've done multiple tests here, so you can see how the activity came in. We can see the different scenarios that I've tried recently. And then let's go into the calendar. So we should see a calendar booking for next Tuesday. So go out to the month view, the 28th of July. Here's his information, which is me, again, because of the demo call. But that's how it would be if your customers were calling in. They would have all the information there. They'd have a booked appointment. And then from there, it sends the automation follow-up. So it'll remind the customer. You can have it follow up however you want. You can have it remind the day before. the day of, an hour before. You can do email and text messaging, whatever you want to do for reminding that customer about the meeting coming up. And yeah, it gets put into the CRM and it tags it for mine as a voice AI call. And that's how you get kind of just the basic setup for AI agents there. They're very helpful in that way. Answering calls after hours, like we try to do here today. And so if you want this set up, reach out to me below. I got a contact below in the description. I can set it for you directly, or you can do a 30-day free trial through GoHighLevel with my link below. And they have a boot camp that they get you set up in 1 day. And that's it. Watch the next video.